The Galaxy Z Flip6 finally here, and if you've got one, you probably are looking for a cover that's going to protect this device. This is a very expensive phone. It's a phone that might not be as durable as a traditional slab phone, like brick phone. What do you, non-foldable phone? Don't know what we're gonna call these. I really like this phone. I think it's very cool. I think folding phones are going to be, or especially the Flip. I think the Flip is one of the most exciting phones that has come out. Anyway, in a previous video that I did a video checking out the silicon case, this guy over here. And we're doing a whole bunch of cases, official cases that Samsung have dropped. And I was really interested because these cases aren't like your normal cases that you'd get for like an S24 Ultra or whatever the case is. Hey, see what I did there? Totally unintentional. So there are all these like interesting ones, like the silicon case comes with the ring, like the finger ring at the back, like permanently attached. And then they drop these Kindsuit cases, or Kindsuit case. Kindsuit is one word. It's Kindsuit. Anyway, I think these are interesting looking covers, and they remind me of the silicon case. And I think if you are going to be purchasing a silicon case, this might have hit your attention, or at least maybe it wasn't on your radar initially. See, this is how delicate it is. I don't want to keep this anti-cutter close to this phone, because if I drop it, you don't know what's going to happen. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. That anti-cutter is disgusting as well. It's like rusty and stuff. Ooh, okay, great. So this is the gray one, I guess. Doesn't seem to be like a color code, it's just a kind suitcase on here. This gray one comes off. Also very similar to all these flip and fold cases have these like stickers on. They kind of connect it to the chassis of your phone. Okay, and this is the difference here is it's got this flap. It feels like a tongue. Whoa. Okay, look, this color is far more interesting than this gray, but let's have a look. I'm not going to stick it on, although it's got this, or I'll stick the top part on. These stickers are strange because I said this in the previous video, but they're not like stickers. They're kind of like, they give you like traction. So this is for the top of the device. And then obviously exposing the fingerprint reader in the power button. And you just put it on. The one thing I'm noticing though is that, oh wow, maybe I put this on the wrong way around, right? I should have done the bottom part first. Oh no, wait, you lift this flap up. Lift this flap up, stick it in like that. Okay. And then it's got this little flap, so when you bend it, oh, genius! Samsung, you geniuses. So that's to protect the hinge. When I saw this, I was like, I didn't want to check out any reviews. I was like, this is like maybe like an extra kickstand, but I was like, you know, it's got this flex mode, it can bend. Why would it need it? But that is very classy. Damn! And I love this texture. I think that if I was mainlining, like a flip phone, this is the phone, this is the cover I would get. I would usually go with the silicon case, but just this feels, it's hard to explain. This feels like a notebook. It's part of your kit, right? Like it's very cool. It's very nice. One thing and also it hides this, because the one thing that sucks about the silicon case is that the silicon case accentuates the fact that the one half of the flip is incrementally bigger than the other half, and you can see it when you put the silicon case on. But here, go check that video out. But here, what they've done is they've obviously exaggerated it. So at the hinge, they've got this thing that covers it. Ha! Absolutely genius! Yay, these guys! This is such a slick cover. I really want to try this one. So let's take this off. The one problem is it's going to be a little bit harder to take off than the other ones. Not a big deal. Let's take that off. And let's get inside here. Let's get inside the bottom here. I do think that the Flips Oh, like the more fun phones. Like you've got to have a fun case. This case is cool, but it's not fun, right? Like it's very formal. This is a nice color. Look at this color. Oh, so lekker. So it's like a turquoise-y color. And let's do it this way around. So we put the bottom part on. Oh, much better. Okay, if this was my daily driver, that's it. You guys have already probably commented already, corrected me. If this was my daily driver, this would be the case I'd get. I mean, unless I wanted to get a clear case to show off the color, and I'm going to be doing a video on that. It's true. So that'll also be on the channel. Okay. So I would open this up. Oh, okay. What have I done wrong? Maybe I did it right the first time. You've got to put the top part on first. Yeah, you got to put the top part on first. I was freaking out because I was like, oh no. There we go. That is a rad case. Oh my word. They got stuck there. Why did it get stuck? Oh no, this is it. How slick is this? This is and then you can get like a cover that matches it on the front. So when you close it, you could probably just get like a color that matches. Oh, so sick. Immaculate. Immaculate. Anyway, if you guys found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps me out. Go check out the other videos that I've got up if you are shopping around for a cover. I would settle on this one. But anyway, if you are looking for a case for your Z Flip 6, and I've got links in the description, easy to access for you, helps me out as well. There are affiliate links. And I'll see you in another video. Cheers.